Hi, I'm Pierre. This is my museum. I've created this museum, I guess I started about 9 years ago. It was flat ground. I brought in 1,200 fills of mud to create the hills and berms. And then I saw a semi drive by with a bunch of scrap metal. And it gave me the idea to do prairie farming museum. So I've been collecting, buying it through auctions and farm auctions and estate sales. And the people really seem to enjoy it. And there's 3 or 4 pieces that are true donations to the museum. So I got little plaques on them that who donated them. And it's just my way of giving back. Share with the public. And I get a lot of people here. They really enjoy my little museum. I call it my 350s. I started when I was 50 years of age. Everything is below 1950, and everything comes within a 50-mile radius. So it's all related to the prairie farming.
If you like antique farm machinery, you'll want to check out this threshing bee video filmed at the Sucannon Ship Museum in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. See you there.